We have a 2020 Portax L SKA. Model is in dark blue metallic, roof and front bow. And on this particular model, we've added a tie bar and a small competition decal. This is a great trailer for eventers or jumpers, hunters, even dressage people that are working off their trailer out in the field. We have a large cabinet to keep your saddles in with lots of storage and access from both sides of the trailer. Anodized aluminum walls keep out the corrosion. It's built on a galvanized steel chassis frame. 5-foot rear rubber treaded entry converts quickly into a step-up with a wing door. Two 33-inch wide stalls with a 7'7" internal height allows room for horses up to 18 hands. 3 settings on the rear stall bar, 2 on the front, allow you to adjust the stall to your horse. An extra 2 feet in front of the chest bar allows for portable buckets and 2 groom door entries. Portax L SKA.